Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best label applicator machines available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Primera Label Applicator. With an AP-Series Label Applicator you'll be able to apply labels at speeds of up to 1200 per hour. Labels are perfectly applied without wrinkles, that's giving your finished products a highly professional look. AP-Series Label Applicators are an ideal accessory to Primera's LX or CX series label printers. The applicators can also apply roll-fed, pressure-sensitive labels produced by most other flexographic, offset and digital presses. It quickly and efficiently applies single labels at a time. It can apply one or two different labels to a single container. This built-in LED counter and memory for up to 9 front-to-back label offsets is also included. At number 5 we have START Label Applicator. The START International LAB01 manual bottle label applicator applies labels to bottles, cans, jars and other cylindrical objects from the diameter of a small tube to a 1-gallon container. The LAB01 places labels in the same location for accurate and consistent placement. It can be adjusted without tools for different label sizes. The applicator housing is made from anodized aluminum for durability. This labeler is suitable for short runs of bottle labeling. At number 4 we have VIVO Label Applicator. It is made of premium steel and metal covered with paint. This manual label applicator is durable and sturdy. It features desktop design, compact structure, small size and convenient maintenance. You can easily adjust the distance between the two plastic rolls to fit bottles of different sizes. You can adjust the tag locating lever to locate the specific position of the tag. It is equipped with the adjustable paper tray and ergonomic handle. This bottle labeling machine works efficiently. This round bottle labeling machine is easy to operate. It has a compact size and a simple structure. This bottle label applicator machine is suitable for labeling round bottles, like PET bottles, plastic bottles, glass bottles and metal bottles. At number 3 we have TOC Label Applicator. This durable, lightweight, easy-to-use applicator can apply all types of die-cut labels to virtually any surface. It is equipped with a unique sensor which automatically adjusts the stroke of the tripper to the length of the label operators. It can increase productivity by simply squeezing the trigger and be assured that only one label will be fed each time. At number 2 we have TAKE Label Applicator. The TAKE Label Model TAL 450 using an all-steel and aluminum construction will dispense virtually any non-transparent label up to a web capacity of 4.5 inches. The operator simply removes the partially dispensed label and the unit will automatically advance the next label for the operator. The open peel plate design allows for easy removal of the label by the operator as well as the ability to run multiple labels on a common web, saving time and money. At number 1 we have Label Applicator. The technology allows you to work with all combinations of label and ground, even transparent label on transparent ground or metallized and reflective labels on same ground. The Label Applicator STS808 can work in 2 labels mode, which allows to put front and rear label on same distance one from another. The STS808 Label Applicator has one key advantage over its competitors, namely the ultrasonic label reader. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best label applicator machines for your need.